start out. Get up a little high. Put your passenger side tire on the big bump. Yep. Stay up high. There you go. What trans you on? I think so. No, it's too low.
Is that good? Is that high enough?
Yeah, now start coming down just a little bit. Yep, and let that tire fall in the hole. See the hole that's there? Yep. Yep. Bring the back tire around. Dude. This thing's sweet.
Yeah, out of the box it's $120. All total, I got about $420 in this thing.
$420.
Right.
In a $120 rig.
Yeah. I made my own chassis, servo horns, links.
Oh, you made your own links?
Yeah. Steering and suspension links.
What's the orange dot on the windshield for?
Oh, because when he came for the comp, that's the sticker we put on everybody's cars for the classes. So we can tell if you're in class 2, they got orange stickers.
So leave it, so it looks like I comped it before?
If you want.
I like them wheels, dude.
Oh yeah, these are either just cheap wheels off of AliExpress. I'm gonna go really high. Do a little crab.
Dude, that thing's full.
That's okay.
Landing on all fours.
Soft landing. Try again.
You know, I put this rear all together yesterday, right? I get done.
Yesterday, you were doing that shit at freaking 2 in the morning.
Yeah. So I did it at 2 in the morning, I'm tired. So I put it all together, dude, and I never put the end bearings in.
Oh shit.
I had to take it all back and forth.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. Very rare that I see people driving. You must have came from airplanes.
No, I didn't. Well, when you have rear steer, I can control them individually.
I run my rear steer on the knob up here.
Oh. But then you have to take your hand off to adjust it, right?
No, because I'm thumb steering here,
Right.
and I'm turning the rear wheels here.
Oh.
I don't like it. But like, it works good with the small tires. It's one of my favorite Penskins. I don't have to name. When I had it the race and something under 2. What did you say it was a $100 car with $400 upgrade?
No, it's a $120 car.
Look at it.
$120 car.
It's all.
The handle's good though.
Dude, I love that thing. You selling it?
No. It's internet famous.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm actually one of the administrators on the Ridgerock group for Facebook.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
How do you do your rear wheel steer?
This is rear wheel. This is front, and I got my throttle.
Oh, you got a lot of learning there with that thing.
But if I add another ESC, it gets more interesting.
Yeah.
Because I can operate front and rear separately as well as my steering.
Yeah, that's too much for me, dude.
but
That's cool. That's really cool.
oh, it's high.
What size tires are those?
Mine?
Yeah.
These are hot body Rovers from like 2010.
You have any idea how tall they are?
I think they're like
They're 44 boggers.
like 475.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the size of
Matt.
the M16s or whatever, super compacts, they look like the freaking big concept ruptures. Yeah. They look just,
Well, these were before the
they look
ruptures.
just like them. I was gonna say, if they're 475, you go up to like one size tire, one tire size up, you can run that in class 3, and they probably do really well. Because 475 is just under the tire limit. The
Yeah,
minimum tire limit.
he's gonna be hurting feelings. With that thing.
That would be a great class 3.
Dude, that thing rips. He said it's internet famous.
It looks just like rubber.
That's how they multiply. They get together like that.
Yep.
9 months later, you got like 5 more.
I wonder if J Concepts copied that to make the rupture.
Yeah, I got
I had before those on my AX10. I had the Panther Cougars. I think that was like 2008 or 2009. Then I bought these.
I like the Axle Ripsaw. The 2.2 Ripsaws. Too easy, though. Not bad. Want to go down that? That was pretty crazy.
Go up here. You kind of see the marks there. And here, up here, between here, and down.
Okay.
You kind of see the marks.
Oh, from the cones. I may be a little bit wide.
I couldn't
I'm
make
too.
it.
I don't.
I got all the way to the top of the hill and then it just wants to tip back on me.
Yeah, I'm too wide to make it, but I'm
Yeah.
in between the cones.
Huh. Yep.
So impressive.
Oh, that's completely fresh.
Things are trying to do right. I think it's sick though. You'd be surprised. Oh, okay. Got me beat. I couldn't make that.
Easy.